Pam, hello, how are you? What are what are you doing? Oh yes, of course. Where's your mommy? Oh, this is not my birthday. Today is Good Friday. Okay? Oo. Kamusta? Oh, did you eat your breakfast na? What's your breakfast? I am fine. Oh, really? Oh, wow. You are always eating spaghetti, huh? Oh, really? Um, who is guapo? Who is guapo? Meet me. Yes, okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh, no, you're not a crocodile. Mm, you are guwapo. Mm. Okay, oo, yeah. Oh, you are the best, grandchild. You're the best grandchild. Mm. I love you too, mwah. You know, I miss you already. I wish to see you. Oh, I wish to see you. Oh, of course. But it's very hard for me to go there because Mommy Tenta is already old. My right leg is, painful. I could hardly walk na eh. Oo. Oo, yeah, oo. Oo. Oh, which condo? Mm. Okay. Yeah. Ah, Today, right now, La Mama Lan and Ate Aubrey is in the church. Yeah, they're in the church. Yeah. Oo, sa church pa sila. Yeah, I am a teacher, but I am already retired. Old, not young. 83, I'm turning 83. Yeah, okay. Bria, Bria is upstairs. Oh, really? Brianna is upstairs. But your pamangkin is still sleeping? Sleeping pa? Oo, siya? Kamusta kayo na diyan? Could hardly we can we could hardly go there because yung sasakyan parang mahirap anak eh. Oo, kasi maraming nag-a-avail ng sasakyan. Next time na lang anak, we will try to go there. Oo, puwede yun. Sasabihan na lang namin kayo 'no? Okey, ha? Ah? Oo, we do not but we do not know. We do not know him. Mhm. Why? Mhm, mhm. Brianna is turning Brianna is turning 5 months on April 26. Yeah, April 26, 5 months na siya. Oo, April 26, 5 months na siya. Oo.